Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stream Roblox on your Discord application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Roblox application and also your Discord application. And then you can go to the Discord and go to the user setting. And then you're going to go to the registered games menu right here on the activity settings, and here usually the Roblox will automatically add it to the registered games. And then guys, the Roblox application will pop up here. Then you can choose the server where you want to stream Roblox, and I'm going to choose one of my server here, this one, and you're going to click on this menu, stream Roblox. Then you can choose the channel, okay, and you can activate your camera here and activate the voice chat, and then you're going to share your screen right here. Okay, now I'm streaming Roblox. Okay guys, and that's how we can stream Roblox on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.